So this is the foxglove stitch, but I am going to I'm going to call it the dragonfly so I can explain this stitch only for that purpose. So this is a multiple of 9 stitches plus 2 and plus 2. So this is this stitch and then 2 more for the separation, that makes 9. So I have 1, 2, 3, 3 times 9, but then I added 2 for symmetry, and then I added 2, 1 for each edge. So that makes it 31. So 9 times 3 is 27, plus 2 is 29, plus 2 is 31. So now these are going to be the wings of the butterfly. So there's one on each side. And this, we're going to call it the body of the dragonfly. So that's it. And this is a ribbing stitch, so you can use it like on hats or gloves or anything like that. So let's get started. Forgot to tell you that you do need a cable needle or double pointed needle, same size as this one or a little bit smaller, so it's easier to slide your stitches. So make believe that I just cast it on my stitches. I did it with a long tail cast on, and I have 31. I want to make 3 repetitions. So row number 1, the first stitch, I am going to slide as if to knit, and then I am going to purl 2 stitches. Now this is where the repetition starts. This is the beginning of my dragonfly, so I knit 2, and then this is where the wing is going to start. And on this one, on that same stitch, you knit, and then yarn over, not like this, but putting your yarn around your needle, and then that same stitch, you knit. Now this is the middle stitch, is the body of the dragonfly, and this is where the other wing starts. So knit, yarn over, and knit, and then the other part of the wing. Now this is the separation, and I purl 2. So let's repeat that. I knit 2. That stitch I am going to knit, yarn over, knit. I knit the middle stitch, which is the body of the dragonfly, and then again, this is where the other wing starts, knit, yarn over, and knit, and knit the other 2. Now the 2 for the separation. So again, knit 2, knit, yarn over, knit, knit the middle one, and then again knit, yarn over, and knit, knit the other 2, and purl 2, and then end your row with purl 1. Row 2, you slide 1 as if to knit, knit 2, purl 2, and then the next 7 stitches I'm going to slide into my right hand needle purlwise. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See that my yarn stayed in the front. Okay, so now I'm going to purl 2 and knit 2. So purl 2 and slide 7 onto my needle purlwise. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see my yarn stayed in the front, so I'm going to purl 2 and knit 2. So let's do that again. Bring my yarn to the front and purl 2, slip 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I purl 2 and knit 2. And then the last stitch I purl. Row number 3. Slide 1 knitwise, purl 2. Now this is where the repetition starts, and this is where we need our cable needle. So you're going to slide 2 stitches to your cable needle and leave it in the back. Now the 3 stitches that follow, that's 1, 2, 3, you knit the 3 stitches together. There we go. And then the 2 from the back, knit them. There we go. So now that's the middle stitch from the body of the dragonfly, and this is where the other wing is going to go, because that's one wing that we passed here, and now this is the other wing. So we have 3 stitches and we leave them in the front because they are going to be crossing the other side of the wing. So we knit 2 from the back, and then the 3 from the wing, and you knit them together. There we go. So let's have these 2 for the separation, and we'll repeat that. You have 2 stitches, which is the for the wing, and then you knit these 3 stitches together. Then knit the 2 from your cable needle, knit the center stitch, and then the other wing, so that's 3, and bring them to the front, knit the 2 from the back, and then bring your stitches and knit these 3 stitches together, and there we go. And now the 2 for the separation. So we repeat that. Take your 2 stitches and leave them in the back on your cable needle. Knit these 3 stitches together. So this wing already came toward the outside. See, they went over the two. And now this is the middle stitch, which is the body of the butterfly. And then we want this wing to go that way. So we put these in the front, knit the two from the back, knit these 3 stitches together from your cable needle, and then purl 2. And the last one, you purl. Row number 4, you slide 1 as if to knit, and now you knit 2 stitches and purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and that center one, which belongs to the body of the dragonfly, you slide, and then your yarn is in the front. So purl 3, knit 2, again purl 3, 1, 2, 3, slide 1 purlwise, purl 3, and knit 2. Again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, slide 1 purlwise with the yarn in front, purl 3, knit 2, and the last one you purl. And that's it. You repeat these 4 rows, and look how pretty that looks. I think I'm going to make a hat with this because it looks very fancy. And it's very, very elegant. Thank you for watching. Please share us with your friends and like our page. Please subscribe, and we love to have you make some comments. Thank you.